The recognition from Ratings Africa's Municipal Financial Sustainability Index is significant because it is based on research conducted by independent experts outside of government and outside of the political sphere. The index benchmarks municipal fiscal health using 6 key financial components to assess stability and then also sustainability and resilience. These include a comprehensive measure of fiscal health, maintaining reserves, practicing prudent borrowing and repayment, applying disciplined forward-looking and budgeting, maintaining affordable rates and tariffs, and then lastly, investing in infrastructure and especially in economic infrastructure and not only social infrastructure. Then regarding leadership, stability, and expert management, throughout our entire institution, we focus on appointing people who are skilled in their field. A municipality consists of professional services that we render, and that requires knowledgeable staff who understand their respective disciplines. We worked hard to retain the expertise we have and also to attract new expertise when needed. Swartland also benefits greatly from stability, politically and administratively. Swartland is stable, and this contributes to a stable working environment. I normally say that financial sustainability is subject to political stability. Every employee and councillor, and I want to emphasize councillors as well, that works at the municipality is subject to a performance management system. Swartland has an extensive performance management system in place, tracking and reporting every capital project and making sure every employee meets their key performance indicators. By having a functional performance management system in place, we are able to detect possible issues and to put interventions in place to prevent failures. This creates reliable data that we then use to plan ahead for the future. Regarding ratios and especially financial ratios, I want to mention a couple. Our current ratio is 6.83, and you have to compare that to the National Treasury norm of 1.5 to 2. Our collection rate for the previous financial year was 96.71%. Our cash coverage ratio is 11 months, and it improved from the 5.2 months from the previous year, while the National Treasury norm is 1 to 3 months. Ours on 11 months. The debt coverage is a very low 2.24%, where the norm from National Treasury is 45%. Our personnel costs as a percentage of expenditure currently is at 32.46%, where the norm is between 25 and 40. The electricity distribution losses are very low, 3.2% versus the norm of 7 to 10%. And I think there's room for improvement with our water distribution losses, which stands at 19.66%, while the national norm from Treasury is 15 to 30%.